Hey guys, welcome back to Elan app. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix vertical lines on Dell monitor. So for instead, let's start our tutorial. So if you're seeing vertical lines on your Dell monitor, don't worry, there's a few things or troubleshooting you need to here to fix this issue. So one of them is to basically check the cable connections. Ensure all cables are securely connected to both the monitor and your computer. Sometimes loose or damaged cables can cause display issues like those annoying vertical lines. Now, if the cables are all secure, the next step is to update or install your graphics driver. This can often resolve display problems, so you can do this through your computer's device manager. Now, in this case, if you're using a specific GPU here, like for example, if you're using NVIDIA or AMD, you need to install the proper software for that. So if I'm not mistaken, if you have NVIDIA, you need to install GeForce. And yeah, so basically you need to install it from the correct website. Now, if updating driver doesn't work, try performing a factory reset on the monitor. So this option is typically available in the monitor's settings menu. Resetting can clear up any glitches that might be causing the vertical lines. And finally, if you've done all that and lines are still there, it's time to test the monitor with another device. Connect it to a different computer or laptop, and this will help you determine if the issue lies with the monitor itself or your computer. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Elan app. Thank you for watching.